Hello guys, welcome back on this one again. And this video is meant for people who are not able to have a glimpse or have an understanding about what the assignment entails. Alright? So I decided to put this video together to complete the assignment for those people who are having issues to do or to go through theirs. But it's not a difficult stuff, no, not at all, it's not a difficult stuff. It's all about knowing how this is being applied and you probably make it of it. So if you should write that code, it should look something like this, alright? So we are done with the first part, and let me explain it to you so you understand in a better way. Remember, we stopped at our computer system, and we just had to do what a header, two tab, a horizontal line, an image tag, and a paragraph tag, just to do or present all of this. Do you understand? To present the computers. Remember, the image tag we are presenting is for the two words. We are presenting for the two pictures. Okay, so we should have two image or two image tags there. So IMG, I'm going to include an image tag again. SRC is equals to dots. This dot simply means you have entered into the parent folder. What is the parent folder? The parent folder is school, alright? So we entered into school folder. Where we are heading to is to enter where computer labs, enter where again systems. You can find it in systems. Can you see the trend this is doing? So that's how to carry out relative file path, alright? So most programmers use it. This is a picture of Mark 2. Okay? So we close this. This is just an alternate statement for people who may have vision issues or vision impairments. So it will be read out on the screen to them. Alright, once they come across this. Alright. So we've included both images. What else? Let me call this. Let me show preview. So this is what it looks like, right? I think it looks more presentable. Yeah, because the images are too nice, write-ups and the rest and the likes. So the next thing we need to include is a contact page. I will not be including a contact page here on that same index or HTML page. No, we'll create a separate web page for it, then link it to that page. Do you understand? Are you following? That's the function of the anchor tag. Remember I talked about the anchor tag in HTML, right? So that is just to present a link to another page from one web page to another page. So from one web page you can navigate to another web page, right? Once just click on it. So and that's what we're doing for this contact us page. So if you realize, I won't spend much time on this because I've already using the code already. Alright, so I decided to create a file coming to this parent folder. I decided to create a file and name it was contact.html. Okay, and in this contact.html I presented everything that I needed to be on my contact page. Alright, I said h2 here, contact us. I didn't use header 1 because I have already used header 1. Okay, let me include header 1 in this place so that h1 where development academy. Let me include header 1. Let me see how it looks like, bro. Should we put a horizontal line? It's all about creativity. Alright, if you are putting a horizontal line, that means you remove this horizontal line here. So let's go back. Let's have a preview of this again. So it's going to be contact us. Okay. I like us to take away this H1 so it doesn't look as if it's complicated. Okay. Let it just be a contact us page. Do you understand? So from here we requested the use of a paragraph tag after the H1. So let there be HR in this side. I'm sure that is following me. So that is just the coder for you. Here we decided to include an unordered list. Okay? Unordered list is what presents your list items in bullets. All of these are called list item. This one is a list item. These are the list items. So that is what we presented inside your list item or stars. then you close your other list. So after you have a paragraph, what happens again? I think that's all. Now we are now faced with the challenge of linking this web page to this other index.html web page. So remember the link was contact us. We'll be using, let's come back to this file. We'll be using a particular element called anchor. Okay, we use the anchor tag, and inside this anchor tag we want it to be href. Href is pointing to, is telling you that there is a particular link, it's pointing to a link. Do you understand? Href, remember we for you to be able to link up one web page to another, you need to use the href attributes. Okay, so href is an attribute that tells you that this particular link here is a link to another web page. I don't know if you get. So we use it to link one web page to another, the href, right? So href is equals to /. You can see contact.html. This one is very simple. Going navigating into this file path is very simple now. So from here now you can now say contact.html, contact us. This is what will appear as the link, contact us. So anybody who clicks it, it takes the person to this particular place. So let's have a rerun of it and see how it looks like, bro. Let's scroll down. That's nice, that's smart, right? You can see right here on my down screen, contact us. So what happens if I click on it? If I click on it like this, I'll try to find balance between this. If I click on it, it takes me to this other link. So that was what I expected you to do in the assignment. Alright, is that fine? So I would like to take through this code again. This code are not quite difficult. It's just that you need to organize. There's a significant difference between this code and the previous code I started on this same subject matter of computer firepower. Alright, so the major difference between this one and that one, this one is organized. But that one, as we were just starting, we just decided to present the contents of the manuscript. Alright. So I would not say it wasn't organized. It was organized, although not professional. But this is the professional. This particular one is how a professional code should look like. So as someone who took a glance through your code, be able to have an idea. Okay, this is what this person is doing here. This is what this person is doing here. Alright. So it's basically about not cramming codes. It's basically about understanding what you need to accomplish in your page. Alright, the client will definitely give you what he wants or what she wants, like I am giving you right now. So yours is to creating this structure how it's going to look like. That's why I call it web development. That's why I call it web design. You need to structure how the design will look like, structure how the design of your content, how it's going to look like, and even the exterior and interior design of your pages, how it's going to look like. Alright. So we just use the href attribute, and this is the value for the href attribute. The href attribute is the link pointing to another page, alright? So this is the link pointing to this value. The value is another page. So this value is the dots. It's the contact.html we just created here. So I wanted to display this contact us. So that's possible with the anchor tag, alright? So if we run it again, we have something like this. So let me make this bigger on our screen. Yeah, you can see this. I think it looks more professional. It's nice. Yeah. Someone can just go through this and say, oh man, that's super, bro. Then you can click on this. The moment you click on this, it takes you to the contact us page. I think it looks more professional. So website is collection of web pages. The multi-page website you visit, your best website you usually visit probably to do what? To stream, to watch movies, to do whatever you want, to read news and the rest. You can see that it's taking you from one web page to another. It's moving you from one web page to another. That's why I call it website, collection of web pages. So this is how the pages are being linked. Some are being linked using JavaScript functions, some are being linked more advanced functions, right? But you should play like important role. Alright, so if you have any questions, you can send me a DM.